How to fix Roblox Error Code 773. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for roblox.com. And once you search for it, you simply want to go ahead and log in to your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and tap on the settings icon, tap on settings. Now inside settings, simply tap on security. Now inside security, scroll below and then simply tap on log out of all session. Tap onto it and then tap on log out. So once you do that, you want to head on to the next step. So the next step would be to simply in the search bar search for add or remove program. So once you search for it, simply tap on open and inside here in the search bar, go ahead and search for Roblox. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply uninstall these Roblox player as well as studio. Tap on this three dot, tap on uninstall, and then tap on uninstall again. Once it is installed in your device, you want to go ahead and reinstall Roblox in your PC. And with that, you'll then be able to fix your issue. Well, that's simply how to do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.